see them red blue lights. The average Joe is usually like, damn, it's over for me. Nervous, sweating, don't know what's gonna happen.
Y'all see I got my y'all see I got some ibuprofen. Got some ibuprofen, some pain medicine. I got that just laying out. Hopefully he don't try to bother me.
Can't trip though. Just start recording, create the record, play it smooth, and see how they acting.
Alright, so what'd you say your plan was with this car?
So I just wanted to go to the gas station and pump up my tire.
Okay.
Because I mean, it got the spare on the back. If you look like
Yeah,
below the
yep, I
plate,
can see the spare underneath
I just
there.
can't get it off.
Okay. And you said you're trying to get a jack or something?
Yeah, I mean, no, I got the jack in the back.
Okay.
So that was my plan, to jack it up, you know, and hopefully, you know, just from the pressure of the air, maybe it'll push it back out, and maybe it'll
Does
fit the rims up.
Does the spare have air in it?
Oh yeah, it's pumped all the way up.
So what I would do is I
just can't get it off, you know, and
What do you mean you can't get it off?
I tried to take this bar to the jack.
Yeah.
And kind of just smack it, but I can't get it off.
Okay.
So,
all right, here's your
I mean,
stuff
that's
back.
my only option, you know.
Why don't we hop out? Why don't we take a look at this the spare tire you got back
Okay,
here.
thanks. Appreciate you.
So this
Like I even tried to hit it with my axe. Okay. And here's another one here too.
Oh, okay, that's where it's on that side. Well, it should be there.
I got it.
Okay. Well, usually what you need to do is right in. I think it's in there. Is where you turn it, and that'll lower that tire down. Because you gotta drop the tire before you can take it off, and
wow.
So.
And you got to use the same the jack piece that does like this.
Yeah. Yeah, because you know how cars come with spare tires and stuff like that. They usually come with its own small little jack and stuff like that.
Maybe.
I don't think so because they take the spares out.
You see my predicament. That's my only option. You know, I gotta go to work. And
who'd you say were you calling somebody trying to help you with getting this changed? Or?
No, I went to her dad's house to get the jack, and I had the lift take me there and back to $16. And then, you know, she said the same thing. Oh, just throw the thing on. But as soon as I lifted it up, you know, and I'm banging it's a little plate under there in the middle. I'm banging the plate trying to twist it. The whole time I don't even know that you got to stick something down here.
No, I can try and get somebody out here to change the tire for you if you want. I can call like a tow company that would have somebody that'd be able to drop that. I mean, it's gonna cost you something, but you know, it might be like $50 or $60 to.
Yeah, I guess I could deal with that. I kind of want to just try the gas station first, and then like.
Well, like I said, you're not gonna be able to make it all the way up there. I'm not gonna let you drive on the rim, you know, another mile and a half all the way up to the gas station. So, like I said, I can contact a wrecker for you, and they can come out here and change it for you. I can find out how much they charge first if you want me to do that.
Yeah, if you can.
You got cash on you, or you only got a credit card?
Just okay.
All right. Yeah. Yep. Just hang tight for a minute. I'm gonna check and see if I got something to try and drop that tire with. Thank you. Do you want me to try and get a hold of the the tow truck then and find out how much it's going to cost. I think they can take your card over the phone. So.
Okay. Yeah, I guess if you could, you don't mind.
All right.
I'll see how much they'll charge.
Oh yeah.
And I just put fix it flat in it. The hole is like puny. It's a puny hole, like a tire plug they put.
Yeah.
And I was just telling the lift lady, you know, if she ever in an emergency, she could use I used to when I had my truck before I put the salt back in, set it on fire, and it dries back up.
Yeah.
And it feels the whole purpose. But no.
So there's three options. All right. So one is they come out here. Two is you can get that phone like we talked about. Or three is you can back it up and kind of place it like that on the shoulder, where it's not in the road, and you leave it like right. Yeah. Is this entrance? This is all the same park, right? You can get in through this entrance here. Because I would suggest if you're going to drive it back home to take it in there so that way you're not driving down at least in there it's only 15 miles an hour within the speed limit. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. It's a full size spare, so you'd be good. Right. Yep. Yeah. I mean, it's convenient for storage, but it can be a pain in the ass to try and get out. So. Where do you work at? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
All right, find the title.
All right, man. Well, they don't open till 10, so either
Oh man.
Let
me see what time it is. 9:18. Got a whole hour.
Yeah, so it's up to you. I mean, you can take it back home if you want, or if you're gonna pull it over a little bit farther off the road back here, you can wait until they open at 10. I can give you the company name and all that stuff, and they can come out and change the tire for you.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I just sit here. I just sit here in the truck.
Okay.
Let me get a pen real quick.
All right, let me go grab that number for you.
Thank you.
I think I even have the business card, so we don't.
Okay, thanks. Okay. I'm on Inkster Road. Pulled over by Brownstown Police Department.
So just give them a call. They open at 10. So I'm gonna move my car back, just pull it over here into the mud, or not the mud, but you know, this grass and stuff. And you're pretty much off the road. And then just give them a call at 10 to come out and change the tire. Okay?
Appreciate you.
Yep.
Thanks so much. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Hey, drop a comment in the section below. Let me know how y'all think this officer did, man. Very helpful, courteous, and helped me get the job done, man. I feel he displayed public service at its finest, and concern for public safety, and I'm all set.